Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Ring's Virtual Try-On to place rings on AI-generated hand models. Step 1. Photo of the ring. The first parameter is required, a photo of your ring. You can use a retouch photo or an unretouched photo, either works fine, and using an unretouched photo will save you credits. For example, this ring photo has incorrect white balance, and the color appears slightly bluish, even though it should be yellow-gold. That's okay. As long as you have a clear, well-focused photo of your ring, the app will work. Step 2. Photo of the model. Option. The second step is uploading a photo of a model. You can leave this empty, and the app will generate a model automatically. Or you can upload your own model photo, or select one from our gallery. Here's something important to understand. The generated photo will not look exactly like your reference model. This is only a reference for style and appearance. We completely recreate the model in order to place the ring correctly on the finger, so the reference image guides the style but won't produce an identical person. Step 3. Model settings. Now let's look at model settings. Lifestyle checkbox. Unchecked. White studio background. Clean and simple. Checked. Lifestyle environment with realistic setting. Close-up checkbox. Unchecked. Portrait showing the model's face and upper body. Checked. Close-up showing only the hand with the ring. By combining these two settings, you can create 4 different styles. Size of the ring. If your ring is delicate or normal-sized, choose small. For larger statement rings, choose medium. Large and extra large are rarely needed, but they're available for massive rings. For this example, since it's a delicate ring, I'll select small. Step 4. Output settings. Model and resolution. We offer 2 AI models. SD model produces up to 1 megapixel images. It's a good model, but older technology. Cost, 15 credits total. HQ models are newer and produce much more photorealistic results with better ring placement and understanding of complex shapes. HQ4 MPEX, 60 credits total, adds 45 credits. HQ8 MPEX, 120 credits total, adds 105 credits. These are commercial-grade models, and honestly, they produce the best results. Important. If you select any HQ model, your ring photo should be at least 2,000 pixels on the shortest side. For best results, use 3,000 pixels or larger. Smaller source images on larger models won't look good. Desired aspect ratio. Set to auto to match your ring photo's aspect ratio, or choose a specific ratio like 1:1 square, 4:3, or 16:9. Cropping your ring photo. For small rings, or rings with a lot of empty space around them, cropping is essential. Click Crop Image and crop tight to the ring to maximize detail. Make sure your cropped image is still large enough. If your original image is 2,000 pixels, and you crop it down to under 1,000 pixels, that won't work well with HQ models. Output format. Keep it as PNG. PNG is lossless and provides the best quality. Step 5. Instructions. Option. By default, leave instructions blank. Only use this field if you have lifestyle checked and want to specify the environment. For example, you could write, place model in a classic ballroom. This tells the AI what kind of lifestyle setting you want. Important. Don't add instructions that will confuse the AI. Only specify environment details when using lifestyle mode. Also, if you're using lifestyle mode for the environment, make sure close-up is unchecked, otherwise you'll only see the hand and won't see the ballroom setting you requested. Generating your results. Let me show you some examples. First, I'll generate with the SD model, lifestyle checked, close-up unchecked, medium ring size, and the prompt classic ballroom. Here's the result. As you can see, it's a horizontal image because we selected auto aspect ratio. We have the ballroom setting, and while the model doesn't look identical to our reference, the ring placement is excellent and fits naturally on the hand. Now let me show you the difference with the HQ model. I'll use the same settings but switch to HQ4 MPEX and change to a 1:1 square aspect ratio with a different ring. Here's the SD result for comparison. This is 1,184 by 864 pixels, about 1 megapixel. You can always upscale it later if needed. But for the absolute best results, use the HQ models from the start. And here's the HQ4 MPEX result. The image is much larger and significantly more photorealistic. Look at the actual size. It's huge, and the quality is exceptional. The model looks somewhat like our reference image, though remember it's never identical. The ring size might look slightly larger than needed, but you can always adjust by selecting a smaller ring size. This is how you use Ring's virtual try-on to create professional jewelry photography with AI-generated models.